Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Today's show we're going to do a little discussion on the token of new internet, the ThreeFold token TFT. The peer-to-peer internet has a lofty goal to bring true decentralization. A new internet that leverages peer-to-peer capabilities wants to create total decentralization, but can this model deliver on a product? Decentralization is one of the most important benefits promised by blockchain, as the technology aims to distribute and disperse power away from central authorities. As we scroll down just a little, the big thing here is the platforms. As noted, basically 60% or greater of all Ethereum nodes rely on a cloud-based service, with 25% running on Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. And as a result, these blockchain networks are vulnerable to policy changes and adjustments made from Amazon. And this also leads to the question of whether these systems and their associated cryptocurrencies are truly decentralized. And as Christoph de Spiegelier, the co-founder and CEO of ThreeFold, told Cointelegraph, that since 2016 he's been building a peer-to-peer internet to create a truly decentralized global web architecture, and currently less than 20 companies in the world own more than 80% of the internet's capacity. Data also resides in huge data centers where 5 to 10% of the world's electricity goes, and a number which will grow in the coming years. Today, we don't own our data or the applications on our phone. And Spiegelier, who previously worked on developing the internet ecosystem, explained that the internet was originally created to provide a platform for free communication and the exchange of values and goods. And he plans to restore this through a new peer-to-peer internet where centralized data centers are replaced by a grid of nodes distributed across the world. Known as the ThreeFold grid, Spiegelier explained that this model has 80 million gigabytes of storage capacity. Nodes on the grid are owned by ThreeFold farmers who are individuals based in over 21 countries. HP has partnered with ThreeFold to provide farmers with high-quality hardware, and Spiegelier elaborated. Our farmers own the physical hardware, like storage or a PC, needed to create the capacity that can be used to store data, yet the data inside the nodes always belongs to the people or organizations who put the information there. And one thing that is solving the blockchain dilemma, or I should state that, is a question. It's also important to point out that the workloads deployed on the ThreeFold grid are managed by ThreeFold's blockchain database known as BCDB, and it's built on the Stellar network and is used to create a smart contract for IT layer. And the ThreeFold recently deployed a Bitcoin node on the ThreeFold grid to prove the efficiency of its smart contract layer, allowing all stakeholders to check the integrity of the node via the smart contract for IT layer. Moreover, Spiegelier explained that deploying a Bitcoin node on the ThreeFold grid demonstrates the ability of blockchain projects to scale, perform, and be secure, all of which have been problematic for blockchain networks. You can look at our network like a hardware blockchain. We have many nodes with no shell or server interface, and the hacking surface is small. The smart contract for IT layer allows any blockchain project to run their workloads on top of our grids in a way that the blockchain dilemma can be solved. And while Mannerings brings up important points, many blockchain projects have begun to show interest in the solution built on the values of decentralization and economic freedom. The blockchain and crypto communities share many of the same beliefs as ThreeFold. Mark Hainan, the Stellar Development Foundation's Vice President of Business Development, told Cointelegraph that Stellar supports the ThreeFold Grid project and is excited that it is building on the Stellar network. Hans Koenig, the chairman of the DigiByte Foundation, also told Cointelegraph that DigiByte shares ThreeFold's vision as well. And that's something we're going to get into also. DigiByte is a partner of the ThreeFold, again, which operates on the Stellar platform. And then Decentranet also teams up with ThreeFold, and again, which also operates on the Stellar network. Currently, the ThreeFold token, the TFT, pricing is 16.4692 cents. And here is the ThreeFold site is hosted on Stellar. TFT lives on the Stellar blockchain. TFT holders benefit from a big ecosystem of proven wallets and mediums of exchange, and Stellar's mission to promote financial inclusion is completely aligned with the ThreeFold's vision for an inclusive internet. ThreeFold lays the foundation for a true peer-to-peer internet and formally announces its token distribution event. And in 2016, ThreeFold identified the need for a new, upgraded, and more secure internet, a peer-to-peer internet that empowers equality, access, autonomy to its users, and sustainability. And then another section here, an alliance to build a true peer-to-peer internet. And ThreeFold comes alive with a collaborative ecosystem of partners and projects called the Conscious Internet Alliance. It's focused on creating a more human and planet-centric world. Among them, the Solidaridad Network, which aims to empower more fair and sustainable supply chains. ThreeBot, your digital twin, a gateway to peer-to-peer world. Seeds, a regenerative financial system for a thriving global society. Take Action Global, creating opportunities for students to take action on social good causes. Artheon VR Museum, a free educational platform offering immersive cultural experiences, and a peer-to-peer file manager, virtual browser, and more. Together, the Alliance represents a group of projects that believe in the need for a new internet that does good for the world. ThreeFold welcomes the new partners who share the same belief and are ready to act. So I want to share this and also give a shout out and thanks to David Talks for sending in a link on the ThreeFold. So I wanted to discuss that today as it's connected to Stellar. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with a final thought. Live every day like it's your last. And as I personally say, live every day like it's your first and it's your last, and you'll appreciate every second. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Don't forget to check the description below for all of the links if you would like to further research on this, as they will always be included. And again, don't forget to check out the iTrust Financial if that is something that seems right for you. Much love to all of you, and we'll catch you in the next one.